In this video, we're going to be going over 5 different ways in which you can use ChatGPT for LinkedIn. We'll be discussing how you can utilise ChatGPT to enhance your LinkedIn profile, help with content production, make networking easier and much more. Before we dive in, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. One of the first things that someone reads when they come across your LinkedIn profile is the headline, so it is important that this stands out and sounds professional. This is where ChatGPT can help. I'm simply going to paste this example CV into ChatGPT, then I'm going to type, based on the following CV, please generate a professional and compelling LinkedIn headline that highlights my key skills, experience and career goals. The headline should reflect my expertise, current job role and aspirations in a concise and impactful way. Then I'm going to hit enter. Within seconds, it has come back with Senior Marketing Manager, driving growth through SEO, SEM, content marketing and data-driven strategies, passionate about brand development and optimizing marketing ROI. The headline sounds really professional, and as we have asked, it has provided an overview of our job role, key skills and aspirations. Another important element of a LinkedIn profile, which provides more information compared to the headline, is the profile summary. The purpose of this is to provide a concise, engaging overview of your professional background, skills and career goals. ChatGPT is able to help you craft a perfect profile summary which will catch the eye of potential employers. I'm simply going to type, based on the same CV, please generate a professional and engaging LinkedIn summary that highlights my skills, experience and career goals. The summary should be clear, concise and showcase my expertise in a way that attracts potential employers, collaborators or clients. As you can see, it has now provided a profile summary based on the CV we provided. Within the summary, it has stated what we currently do, some key achievements, our skills, and what we are looking for, and much more. Moving on, we're going to be taking a look into how ChatGPT can be used for the purpose of content creation. If I'm struggling to come up with content ideas, I could ask ChatGPT something like, based on the information in my CV about my professional background and current role, please suggest 5 LinkedIn post ideas related to my field. The post ideas should focus on industry trends, thought leadership, or personal experiences that would engage my audience and add value to my network. My goal is to create content that demonstrates my expertise and encourages interaction with my connections. As expected, it has now come up with 5 different article ideas. For each idea, it has provided a title, the post idea, and an engagement angle which will help you to get users to interact with your content. At the end, it has provided some extra tips. For example, it says we should end each post with a clear question or call to action, we should include case studies in our content, and to use hashtags to increase visibility. I like the sound of idea number 3, so I'm simply going to type, based on idea number 3, please help me write a LinkedIn article or long-form post. The content should be professional, informative and aligned with my expertise. It should provide value to my audience and reflect through leadership, industry trends or personal insights. I'm aiming for a tone that is both authoritative and approachable. It has now come back with a full article which is relevant to the initial idea. Within the article, it has provided headlines for each point, relevant emojis, hashtags and much more. One of the most common uses for LinkedIn is networking. ChatGPT is able to help you create the perfect connection request message which will increase your chances of connecting with someone you want to work with. I'm simply going to paste this example profile summary of someone that I want to connect with, then I'm going to type, based on the profile summary of someone I want to connect with and my professional background, please help me craft a personalised and professional LinkedIn connection request message. The message should be polite, concise and highlight common interests or goals that will encourage the recipient to accept the connection. It has now come up with a detailed message which states who we are, what we do and why we are reaching out. As we asked, it has highlighted our common interests and goals. It is also worth mentioning, if you are going to use this prompt, it would be good to provide a copy of your CV or resume to ChatGPT. As I've already provided it, I didn't need to provide it again for this prompt. If we have connected with someone we have reached out to, it is important to send out a follow-up message. The purpose of this may be to set up a meeting, get some more information from the connection or something else. I'm going to type into ChatGPT, based on the following details about the person I've connected with and my professional background, please help me write a polite and professional follow-up message where I request a meeting. The message should express appreciation for the connection and suggest a specific reason for the meeting, while maintaining cautious and respectful tone. Be sure to propose a clear call to action, such as scheduling a time to connect for a conversation or to discuss mutual interests. It has now done exactly as we have asked. In the follow-up message, it has expressed our appreciation, it has stated why we should connect, then at the end, it has provided the call to action. That's all we have for this video on using ChatGPT for LinkedIn. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.